Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our Animal Sounds Safari. Today, we're venturing into the heart of the jungle, home to many amazing creatures. Each animal has a unique sound, and we're going to learn about them. So, put on your adventure caps, open your ears, and let's start this fun journey. Do you hear that roar? That's a lion. Lions are big cats that live in the savanna and grasslands, but you can sometimes hear their roars all the way in the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Excellent. Now, listen carefully. Do you hear that chattering sound? Those are monkeys. Monkeys are very social animals, and they use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other in the treetops. Can you chatter like a monkey? Well done. What's that loud trumpeting sound? That's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they use their powerful voices to talk to each other over long distances. Can you trumpet like an elephant? Great job. Hear that squawking? That's a parrot. Parrots are known for their bright colors and their ability to mimic human speech. But in the wild, they use their voices to communicate with their flocks. Can you squawk like a parrot? Fantastic. And lastly, do you hear that hissing sound? That's a snake. Snakes are quiet animals, but they can make a hissing sound when they feel threatened. Can you hiss like a snake? Wonderful. Thank you for joining our Animal Sounds Safari today. Can you mimic any other animal sounds? Keep practicing and see you on our next adventure.